am Shiva, plus 1,000 others attached. I call upon a beloved Creator of heaven and earth and all that is in between to give me clear, concise, divine guidance that serves His highest good. It is so. We are now vibrating at the frequency of absolute conscious awareness. It is so. I was hearing, Thy kingdom come, Thy will be done. I create this kingdom king. That's what it's all about, His will. And His will is all about us. Our Creator ascended us so that we can be happy, satisfied, and abundant. Because He cares about us. So His will be done is a good thing. In the old world, that wasn't our Creator. That was someone's interpretation of Him. Our Father loves and cares about us. Now you must remember you ascended to the point where you are in the presence of our beloved Creator. So the more you become like Him, the greater you are. He's the greatest and you become greater. So the more loving and caring you are, the greater you are. That is His will. But in the old world it was the opposite. Depending on where you were. Our beloved Creator, we love and adore you too. And we are delighted to find that you are so gentle with us, so forgiving, so merciful. As above, so below. I just said now, Thy kingdom come, Thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. You see? Now this is how it is in heaven. It is a lovely place. It is peaceful. Everyone gets along, even the biggest enemies. Because when we return to our Father, then we leave our bodies and our emotions here and we get there and we say, okay, right, we grew in this and that way. The wisdom, discernment, intelligence and morality we attained. That's why we come here. All this drama is just drama prior to ascension. But now, as gods and goddesses and as creators, our creators saying in heaven, they create with love and care. And as His direct descendants, also creators, because we made in His image and likeness. Everything we do is with love and care. That's how we become greater. Because it is what it is. Do the math. Oh, but you know what? I don't believe forgive the trespasses as they forgive it. But it's not what I believe, right? It's what our Creator says, because His will be done. Like, I don't understand how was it that we were supposed to forgive people who used witchcraft. You can only forgive them if you also did it. That was my logic. But I saw our Creator forgave. Merciful. I'm grateful now that I'm happy. You see, here in heaven, because we are aligned now. Is it here? We are aligned. Heaven is aligned now. Everyone must be happy at the throne. All the ancestors are very happy. But that's what we are here to do. Our destinies as the descendants of our beloved Creator is to be happy, satisfied, and abundant. And each and every one of us. Not only some. This is who you are as a Creator. And you can always know that you are loved and cared for. You are made in His image, so when you need anything, you can think it and talk about it with Him, and He brings it to you, then you make the most of it, maintain it, etc. Right? Take care of what you get. So take care of your happiness also, because some psychos like love to steal your happiness. And that's the discernment. We're at that level. Who can enjoy your juice? Doesn't make you mean or whatever, it makes you discerning. You know how to protect that which you love. You know evil, the happiness haters when they come and say, you know, this about your partner, that about your house, this is about you, this, you, that, you, that. You just laugh it off. But you're fully aware. They will try to steal your happiness. Because you are aligned with our beloved Creator. You are compatible with Him. You are great like Him. You're loving, you're caring, you're sensible. You mean what you say what you mean. Your yes is yes, your no is no. You don't mince words here and try to find a grey area. That's always what happened to the grey area. I will have it created. So when anyone wants to rain on your parade now, then you know they're not in the palace. Real cosmic talk, this is how the kingdom of our Creator is. It's a kingdom, it's this massive mansion, and each room is like a whole galaxy. I love it, Creator. Thank you that you show me everything, the wonders of creation. Now I had to earn this, I had to be trustworthy. And even if I don't want to do it, then He said, do it, I do it. I had to be obedient. And then in so doing, I found a lot of joy and happiness. Because it's like sometimes I don't know if I'm going to make it, but I always make it through. Dot your I's and cross your T's. You see, this gift of happiness, you fortify this. You take care of this. You know who can enjoy your juice. That level of discernment. Alright? You safeguard yourself and what is important, what you love and care about. You see, our beloved Creator loves and cares about us, so He safeguarded us. So we must be like Him and do the same. It's just how it is. Our spirit guides love walking this path with us. Yes. So we are not alone. We're never alone. We don't even have privacy. We're like on the material plane stage and the whole cosmos is watching us. It's just one. But we're not alone. Remember, our Creator is your Father. You pray, you ask Him for things, and you meditate to hear what He's got to say about things. So we have angels, spirit guides, our ancestors, all of them. That's why we need to learn to trust our intuition when we hear that nagging, because I won't say they nag, but they're very persistent. You honor that. That's the language of the gods. Our beloved Creator, it's the language of the gods. This video is like hardcore cosmic reality. It is just so. And it is safe now, seeing that we were separated from our beloved Creator. Sarah, you see, Creator is just reminding you that you are His sons and daughters made in His image and likeness. He's one conversation away. Whatever you need, it is yours. That's why we must master our thoughts, because our thoughts create our reality. Just like our Creator, He thinks things into existence. But the main thing to Him is this, that we are loved in heaven and on earth. And we're not alone. That all places exist here simultaneously in the same house. Okay. So yeah, this is very beautiful. Now, your spirit guides can be the ancestors, angels, saints, ascended masters, all of them. Some of us have one, some of us have three. Gandhi had 7. So you have exactly the amount you need. You're safe. You must know that you are loved and cared for, and that's what you also have to do, is to love and care for. To be happy, satisfied, and abundant. What our Creator wants for you, He wants for all His other children. So we can't be a problem to each other. That's how they got kicked out. it is what it is. Our boy is most forgiving, most merciful. Yeah, He is. This is how you know He loves you. Those in Mercyville, alright? They went walking with serpent, dragon, spirits, and rejected our Creator. But for 9 months they were separated from our Creator. Then on the 23rd of May, just before the third ascension, He brought 2.4 billion of them here to Mercyville. He forgave them. Right? But that other 600 million, they had to keep it moving. Right? And then we went up to here. I call this the land of milk and honey. This is inside our Creator's heart, and this is on His heart. I had to paint all these things because it's the wonder of creation. And I did it, and I wrote a book. Wow. Wow. The living waters. This is our beloved Creator's throne. The living waters. Spirit of peacefulness and hopefulness. Uh, as in heaven, so on earth, right? As above, so below. This is what our Creator wants for everyone. And it's not if, but, or maybe. And He didn't say this one must tell you, that one must tell you. You've got His Spirit, He tells you. You are accountable. So if you're acting out of the line with anyone, you're actually doing it directly to our beloved Creator. You just need to backtrack a little and do the math. So He is most merciful, most forgiving, but He's no one's fool. Our beloved Creator is loving and caring. He knows when you are sorry, when you're truly sorry. Then He makes a way for you because He made a way for them. And I was just like, good riddance. It's so funny. It's so funny that I'm compatible with our beloved Creator, yet my nature is like this. I have to be very patient. So those in Mercyville, you had to wait 9 months. That must have been the longest 9 months of your life. And then the baby was born. So your patience was rewarded. You're in the sapphire dome. That's why I can glow blue and this and that. But there are so many rooms. And I went to a pomegranate color looking room. And then I saw the pomegranate color eye. And I'm like, what does this mean? I think. So that's how I get to share all these things with you. Wow. HC. And then there's another ascension coming. But ascensions are not like those type of ascensions anymore, because earth found its place here, smoke and honey. We are now aligned. Heaven and earth is aligned. The ascensions now is how we grow, because you get to see your third eyes, and sometimes diamonds are sparkling here, and oh, it's quite different, right? Don't be afraid. You are loved, you are cared for, you have spirit guides with you, you are meticulous, you have to be happy. You may have made your mistakes, but you corrected them. So you're in for a surprise. Okay, just full of delightful surprises. That's where faith comes in. You must just trust Him. When I do readings, then I, I have a lot of nasal flow. Just the living waters, the downloads and all. But that's not the names. I just name these places for a lack of external reference for them. Our beloved Creator, plants transparency. Yes, we are planted at the throne of our beloved Creator. I told you, we have no privacy. We are on the cosmic stage of the cosmos. We are found at our beloved Creator's throne. We are His most treasured possession. We have spirit guides walking with us. Uh, what can I say? If there was anything that you regret doing, but you repented for it, let it go now. Our Creator gives us a clean slate. He really gives us a clean slate. As long as we don't continue doing that which we already asked forgiveness for. Alright? The Creator is loving and caring, but it's not a fool. So it's best to be like this with Him. You don't have to be an open book with everyone else, but with Him, because He's in us and around us. And something is going to happen so suddenly, and it's going to make you very happy. Maybe like you didn't laugh in a long time. But this is our Creator. Brings us a lot of peace. As peacefulness comes with Him. He's not here to terrorize us. Only they faced judgment because they did witchcraft in the seventh heaven. But we, because we got the clean slate, we didn't face judgment. We went 7, 10, 11. They went 7, 8, 9. My beloved Creator, why are you giving us plants and transparency, dream journal and hopefulness? You see, I saw spirit of patience, spirit of peace, spirit of hopefulness. I see happiness, care, love. I started off saying that as above, so below, our Creator's will be done here on earth as it is in heaven. And His will is that we create and that we remember there's a place for everyone under the sun. There's enough place. There's not only one star in the sky. That's part of our evolution. It's about us, others, and our environment. And we then we bloomed. It's not about survival, it's about destiny. It's easy, you're made in the image and likeness of our beloved Creator. Speak blessings over yourself and others. Where you get stuck, you just talk to Him, you pray about it. Then when you meditate, you listen for the answers, and when you hear that, you act on that. Because that's showing that you're appreciating the divine guidance. And if you don't listen, you may as well just have done it the first time. Our beloved Creator, thank you for loving and caring about us so completely. Thank you that you bring us a lot of peace and hope, even though we had to have a lot of patience for it. Thank you that we have all our lovely spirit guides walking this path with us, and that we can always remember we are not alone. Our beloved Creator is worthy to be praised. He is the greatest. Hallelujah, hallelujah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Namaste.